Okay, next problem tayo. Spherical triangle niya. Okay. So, spherical triangle. So, I assume aral na. So, kung spherical triangle, gamit tayo Napier circle kapag right spherical triangle. Okay. Spherical triangle CBC. C is 90 and D is equal to 40 and C is 120. So kapag spherical triangle, no, puro arc. Ibig sabihin yung mga sides niya, angle din, at angle. Din. Pero kapag nag-drawing kayo niyan, no, dapat yung naming pa rin yan, yung angle pa rin, yun yung capital letter. Then this is the 9. Tapos this is the side, and side. So kapag yun na spherical triangle, alamin niyo kung nasa yung right angle. Pero pwede naman hindi yung right angle. Hindi yung right spherical triangle. So ang tawag ko sa right spherical triangle. So, D is equal to 40. 40 is C 120. Then, dito kapag gagamit kayo ng spherical triangle, so gawa kayo ng, ay nahanap pala natin angle B. Gagawa kayo ng circle, no? Tapos hatiin nyo sa 5. So, ganito ako maghati sa spherical triangle. Napier circle in 5. Tapos name nyo siya dito. For example, para clockwise yung nilagay nyo. So, dapat ilalagay mo din siya dito pa clockwise. So, kapag nilagay mo siya dito, tatanggalin mo si right angle. Ganun po sa right spherical triangle. So, si A, si C, si B, and then si I. Kapag nalagay kayo sa spherical triangle, itong mga angle na to may bar, which is A bar is equal to 9 minus, and then C bar is equal to 9 minus, recall lang, B bar is equal to 9 minus B. Okay? Ngayon, ilagay nyo na sa values niyo, no? Ilagay natin yun dito. So, kapag ilalagay nyo siya dyan, so ano yung mga value? Si B. Hmm. Si B, papalitan natin siya ng value. 40 degree. Tama? And then si C, papalitan natin siya ng D120, no? That is 90 minus 120. For that is equal to negative 30. Then, hinahanap natin si B bar. So, kapag ganito na meron ka nito, ito, tapos ayan. So, asan yung middle part niya? So, yung middle part natin ito. And then, naka-opposite sa kanya yung dalawang angle. Ito kasi adjacent. No? So, kapag naka-opposite, team co-op. Tandaan nyo si team co-op. Ano ibig sabihin niya? The sign ng middle part, so the sign ng middle part, which is the sign of 40, is equal to the cosine ng opposite angle. No? Then, what's the value of b bar? So, how to solve for b bar? That is equal to the cosine of b bar is equal to sine 40 divided by cosine of negative 30. So, masasolve natin si bar. Ay, ganito lang po siya. That is inverse cosine of sine of 40 divided by the cosine of negative 30. make sure na naka-degrees na yun. So, V bar is 4.0785 degrees. Kaso, ang formula ng B natin is equal to 90 minus V bar. Therefore, B is equal to 90 times. So, that is equal to 47.9214 Newton. Ayan. Yung iba naman, tinatawag nila sintaad. Now, paano naman yung sintaad? So, for example, no, example lang to. Hinahanap nyo naman dito si A bar. So, di ba, meron ka ditong middle part, tapos naka-adjacent kayo, no? So, paano nyo naman isasolve si A bar? So, sintaad, natandaan nyo si sintaad. So, the sign ng middle part, so ang middle part natin is A bar, is equal to the tangent ng adjacent niya, which is 40 and tangent negative 30. So, magkano is A bar? So, that is equal to the inverse sine ng tangent 4 times the tangent of negative 3. The answer is negative 28.9767 degrees. Paano natin kukunin si A bar? Di ba you have A bar is equal to 90 minus B bar. Therefore, sorry, A pala. Therefore, A is equal to 90 minus bar. So, ibig sabihin na the answer is 118.9767. Kapag kintaan naman ganun, may picture nyo na screenshot. Kung, for example naman, nahanap naman si A, paano mo ako ni si A? I-given ganito, ito. So, kung makikita nyo, ito, middle part, tapos naka-opposite, no? So, gagamitin ko din na info of. Ito naman yung middle part mo. Napapalitan yung middle part. Okay lang. Control. Sorry, nag-invert nga pala ako. Next, next natin. Chinika ka second mo. Okay. So, in a spherical triangle, ABC, A is equal to 140 degrees, B is equal to 70 degrees, and C is equal to 90 degrees. What is the value of A? So, drawing nyo ulit yung spherical triangle natin. So, bahala kayo, basta right spherical. Basta alam nyo kung nasa 90 degrees. So, kahit saan nilagay si A and B, ko ba nilagay? Lipat ko naman, no? Basta mahalaga dito is important. Charot ka. Okay. So, this is side B, side A, side B. Ano yung mga given natin? A is 140. 140 daw. Sabi daw, B is 70. Then, what is the value of side A? Okay, nahanap sa side A. First step, drawing kayo ng circle. Hatiin nyo sa 5. Kahit hindi naman perfect yung pagkakahati nyo dyan. Okay, so, next, lalagay nyo yung mga angle. Start tayo sa inyo. Gusto mag-start. Dito na kay A. Kasi nahanap. A. B. Kapag angle, babarbi nyo C bar, A bar, and B. Okay? So, given ka na B, so this is equal to 90. So, di ba ang bar B is equal to 90 minus B. And then A bar is equal to 90 minus. Okay? So, substitute natin si bar B. So, that is equal to 90 minus 70 gets 20. 90 minus 140 negative 50. Ang hinahanap natin ay si A. So, meron ka nito, ito. Alin ang middle part? Si 50. Opposite sa kanya, no? So, ibig sabihin, that is sin co-op. So, the sign of middle part, di ba ang middle part natin is 50 equals to cosine E, then cosine of 20. So, what's the value of E? So, you have cosine of E is equal to sine of negative 50 divided by the cosine of 20. So, A is equal to inverse cosine of sine negative 50 per the cosine square. That is equal to 144.608. Okay, next. Ay, ito. Mamaya na yung yung 13 no? Number 14 muna tayo. For number 14. Ano yung 14 no? Spherical triangle pa rin kasi. So, drawing natin, right spherical pa rin. Sa curve yan, kunwari. Ah, ah, malaki yun. At natin different. D is 90. Y is 90. A 60. Small ba yun? Small against B. Ay, okay. Lang ka. Small b is 80. Find the side B. Nahanap sa side B. So, pag ganito, draw ko kayo din ng circle. Make your circle. Hatiin mo. Okay? So, pamili kayo kung saan kayo gusto mag-start. O sa A. O dito ako nag-start sa A. So, ikot. Tatanggalin natin to. A, B, bar A, C bar, bar B. So, palitan natin to C bar ng 90 minus 80. So, this is 10. Tama? C, C bar is equal to 90 minus si B, si A, palitan lang natin ng 60. Kasi papalitan kasi side yan. Ang hinahanap natin si side B. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung middle part mo, opposite, opposite. So, anong gagamitin? Si co-op, no? Si co-op. So, the sine ng middle part, that is 10, is equal to cosine ni cosine 50. So, what's the value of cosine ni? That is equal to sine 10 divided by the cosine of t. So, what's the value of t? That is equal to cosine, inverse cosine of sine 10 over cosine pixel. Ay, oh, joke lang. Equal 69.678 degrees. Dali lang siya pag ay sine law tsaka mag-zoom yung gagamitin. So, dito tayo. 13 and 15. The area of the spherical triangle whose radius is 8 meters. So, ang formula ng spherical triangle is equal to area is equal to pi r squared over 100. Yung E, yung tinatawag na spherical excess, that is equal to E plus minus 100. So A is equal to 40 plus 8 plus 90. Ito yung mga interior angle ng spherical triangle. So E is equal to 8 40 that is equal to 30 degrees. Then substituting pi, ang radius natin is squared. Ang E is equal to 30 degrees divided by 100. The area is equal to 5 times squared over 35, 33.510 square. Ano? The spherical triangle has an angle of determine the area of a triangle if the sphere has a surface area of 1/7. Ang sabi, if surface area daw is equal to 7.90. Ang area square, ang wala. Ang surface area ng sphere ay 4 pi r squared. So r squared is equal to 17290 over 4 pi. Ibig sabihin may r squared yan ha. So punta ka na sa area ng spherical triangle. That is pi r squared times over 100 t. Ano yung spherical excess? That is equal to 73 plus 95 plus 64 minus 180. So ang spherical excess equals 5 plus 4 minus 100. So the spherical excess is equal to 52 degrees. So the area is equal to pi. Ang r squared natin is 17290 over 4 pi times t, which is 52 divided by 100. The area equal to pi times 174.5 cancel lang po times 50 over that equal to 1248.7 square feet. So, madali lang po yung pagkuha ng spherical area. Area ng spherical triangle.